1967, bringing you another product description. Today we're getting a Bailey drain cleaning kit with 16-inch chimney head. Been checking the internet out, guys. There's not many videos on the Bailey. I mean, this is just a general unboxing. I will show you what's in the pack. Right. So you can see there, it's made in Birmingham, Britain. Okay, well, let's have a look what you get. First thing you get is the famous blue fiberglass bendable rods with brass fittings at the end. Right, and inside the bag you should get 10. What I like about it is this bag is really robust as well, so it's easy to carry around or store in your shed, garage. This is the famous worm screw. This is for helping unblock toilets, drains, etc. This is for helping unplunge toilets. It gives it a suction, so if you've got like a drain that's completely full, you use that. This is for clearing your drains, so you pull that across. We'll go on about that too. There's some instructions there on how to use it. It's a drop scraper, go to cleaning, and double worm screw, drains, etc. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of these together. Seriously easy. Right. So that goes on a tree, and that feels nice and tight. Some people have said put the clamp that on, but that feels really tight. I can't see that coming off. Next is the double worm screw. This one really feels really strong. I mean, I'm bending that back there. It's just absolutely. That feels really nice and tight as well, so you can get right in there. Next is your scraper. Then you can get amongst there and you can scrape that there. That's for clearing your drains. Feels really nice and tight. In fact, so tight you can hardly get it off. So, right. So the next thing I bought this kit for was the chimney sweep. Because we burn quite a bit of wood, you create some build up. And these are nylon. So, but that feels really tight as well. I can imagine not losing that down the chimney. Well, let's see how high this goes, guys. That's just four leads, 4 poles. I can really feel that. See the bend on that. Compare where the chimney is here. I'll work my way down from there. It's super bendable. Yep. So we'll have some fun with that. So we've got 10 of those, so I should be able to get up there, give it a good. The other thing as well, you can cut these down to shape just in case. But that, like I say, 16 inches, big enough for most chimneys, guys. And of course, it's got the wood insert in there, and inside there it's brass. It's proper quality. Okay, guys. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later. Why not subscribe? We'll see you then. Bye for now.